Unity Day is when we really come together as a community. Wearing orange, what we're doing is like, it's kind of like the stop bullying like color.
The pledge is to like sign against bullying because bullying is wrong and bullying isn't really a thing you need in school.
We were given kindness coins at lunch. They were under our seats, and then we had cards and we filled out what was on the card, and then we gave our kindness coins to other people so they could do the same thing.
Well, it's really good to be kind to people because we don't want anybody to feel excluded or like they don't belong or anything, and showing kindness to people shows them that they do belong.
So anti-bullying is definitely important because bullying can just cause people to just think about themselves poorly, and so we want everybody to think of themselves greatly and to just be good.
Spread kindness.
Spread kindness.
Spread kindness.
Spread kindness. Spread kindness, everyone.